welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to get verify your phone number in Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already installed the app in your mobile phone. Let's get started. All you have to do is open your Grindr app. This is how it looks when you open your Grindr account. Here on the top left you can see sign up option. Click on it. Now I accept the private policy. Here you have to type your email, password. Now the next step is to verify that you are not a robot. Now here you can see a verify account notification. Here you have to enter your phone number and they will send you a verification code. This is done to protect your account and prevent scam. So now you have to enter your phone number. Now a code will be sent to your mobile number and you have to enter the code and click on verify. This is how your phone number is verified in Grindr account, in Grindr app. Thank you for watching.